Again in the same restaurants as before. Suki na sila dito sa Four Seasons Buffet and Restaurant. Dito nila sineselebrate ang company Christmas party. So with JC also birthday every year. Suki na sila dito kasi if you are birthday celebrant, you are free. You are free of one. The birthday celebrant is free. So they prefer to stay here to held the Christmas party here. So as Jesus' birthday celebration. This is a buffet style. Buffet style. You have to have the booking to come here. That's buffet. We're going now to our designated table. I think this is the one. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Tayo ma'am ng 5:30.
5:30. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. This is style like shabu-shabu. So it depends on what you're going. They start, you can get food at 5:30, Lola. These are all like shabu-shabu style. You have to turn on, you have to go all the way. They are not yet starting, so this is it. Dessert. These are all dessert. They have ice cream and all. Halo. Oh my God, I miss it. May ice cream din sila. And all. Ito yung mga style nila. It's like buffet. Eat all you can. Look, oh my God. Mawawala ang diet mo dito. Look. Ang ganda ng style nila. I think, sulit din yung 1,000 pa. Saka, pwede ka naman bumalik-balik. That's all. And there. That's all. And go around. That's vegetables, seafood, and appetizer. Look. That's for her. Pork belly, chucky roll. It says raw for cooking. That's all. And ito yung mga sauces nila. Ito sauce, sesame oil, lahat nandyan. Iba-ibang sauces. Dahil diba, sulit na yung pera nyo. Yan pa. Yan. Diba? Susulitin natin. Hindi kami nag-glance. Raw for cooking. Raw for cooking. Look. Seafood. Different seafood. We'll go all the way. Look. So, when you're planning to have a birthday, you can come here and Four Seasons. Meron silang brand sa iba-ibang lugar dito sa Manila. So, parang makakamura ka kung gusto mo mag-celebrate. Look, ang seafood nila. Look at that. Wow! Lovely. Masarap. Ito pa. Look. Dami. Yung mga nagdalayat. Oh, my favorite pakwan. And this is this cucumber Korean salad. Turnips Korean salad. I don't know what is this. There is no name. If you want, look, pizza. Oh, pasta, different kind of pasta, and they are clean. Look, if you want lechong manok, pork belly, and here's the juices. This is different juices, cooked food. Japsai. I don't know. Oh, nice presentation, beautiful. And this chef special cooked food. Meron sila nito. Meron sila nito. Yum, yum, yum. Look. Oh, pansit. Yang chow fried rice. Mga fried rice. Different kind of fried rice here. Still. Look. Sweet and sour pork. Obi pao. Oh, may obi pao sila. Yeah. Chicken fit. Here's the different. Here's different juice. Papaya carrot, cucumber lemonade, chorizo, Four Seasons, and all. Here's the style. We're still waiting for them. Actually, the reservation is 5:30. Oh, they are there now. Wala pa pala.
Si Ate J.
Ito pa. This section is for shabu-shabu. These are all vegetables. Then you have to bring it to your table and ready to cook. Your table has already, your table is set up already to cook this. Lolo, they are on the way. Well, I'll continue later. This is it. Every year they are celebrating their clean drop Christmas party. Suppose
Daisel is not here.
yeah, Daisel is not here. Last year, Daisel was here. This is like suki na sila dito. Tapos celebration pa ng birthday ni JC. So, one is free if there is a celebrant. Magpabalik-balik kayo doon. Balik-balik. This is buffet. So, you can go back and go back. Look, huwag kayong mahihiya. Kumain kayo, ha?
Kain. Kain, kain, kain. Kumain kayo ngayon, bukas may bayad na yan. O next year na uli ang libre. Balik kayo, balik, balik, balik. Happy birthday, Daisy! Where's your cake? Hold the cake. Hold your cake. It's Daisy's 8th year's birthday. Happy birthday, Daisy! Happy birthday! Enough na. Put it down. Put it down.